Here is how to view backup photos in Google Photo. So basically, if you open up Google Photo app, and you will see a bunch of some different photos. So this all photos is backuped, but you don't know exactly what photo is backuped, and you can't check it now. You can go to photo gallery, you will see different photos between these photos on app, on Google Photo and on your gallery. So what we're gonna do, just open up any browser on your device. You can use Chrome browser or Safari browser, it doesn't matter, and you should search for Google Photos, and you will see first link. It's mean sign in to googlephotos.com. So basically this is it. You just proceed to your Google Photos, and you should log in exact account that you use on Google Photo. How to check it? You just tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon picture of your exact account, and you will see in what account you are. So basically I just select my account that use it on Google Photos app, and we will see same photos that backup from my Google Photo. If we open up again Google Photo, you will see last picture is this one, and if we go to googlephotos.com, you will see exact pictures. It means all these photos in Google Photo are now backuped, and you can scroll down and check all these photos.